You guys can see I have the Disney Plus Legends series, Marvel, the Falcon, and the Winter Soldier shield. I have it right here, you guys. This is the big boy right here. This is the legit Disney shield. Got it off of Amazon, so you guys already know that is the place to go get it. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this around. You guys can see this is the back side. This is the front side, of course. This is 24 inches, so it is that big boy. We do have the adjustable straps. I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. We're gonna unbox it, all that good stuff. And then it has a premium role-playing shield, and we already know that. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. And of course, if you guys wanna check out my unboxing for my costume, I'm gonna leave that link below. All right, you guys, we gotta admire the packaging. The packaging is pretty good. There's no way this thing is getting damaged when it ships and all that good stuff. So I do like that. I gotta hand it out to Disney for that one. Wow, you guys, check this out. 24 inches right there. I like the way it feels. I just love the way it looks. That's of course, the outside. You guys look at the inside. It looks nice. It looks like it has those metal brackets everywhere. And you guys, we do have the leather straps right here. And like I said, they are adjustable. So we go ahead and adjust that right there. Like, look at that. So let's see if we want to use it. All we have to do, we're going to have to loosen one of these straps up. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so that was fairly easy to loosen the strap. We just loosen it up, that way the forearm could fit there. And then we just grab the other side, just like this. And now we could look like Captain America. We have our shield, we have our costume, we are good to go. You guys, definitely recommend picking up this shield.